Today, I'm going to talk about something which is the new normal, that is work from home, and the hazards and everything which are associated with the new normal, work from home. You must be wondering why these hazards? Because you are at home, there is no tanning, you're washing your face, you are eating proper. But in spite of that, why can I suffer from the problem? So let me tell you the problems which you can face. First thing is screen time, right? So what happens is throughout the day you're working from home, so you're working from your laptops, you're seeing a lot of Netflix, YouTube for your binge eating, which is happening late nights. So what this does is your laptop lights, your TV lights, they emit something called as blue light. So this blue light along with the sunlight are harmful for your skin. So what does this blue light do? So it comes directly on the face, and your face is the most sensitive part of the skin. So what it does, it starts making your face a little darker, it starts making your skin a little drier. Even your lips, if you see them closely, you will see that there are fine lines appearing, there are small wrinkles kind of thing, a chapping which is appearing. So these are something which happens when you are having a lot of screen time. So let us now discuss how to fix that thing. So for fixing that thing, first thing which I'll suggest is use a sunscreen. Second thing which I will suggest is drink plenty of water, because the water is one thing which hydrates your skin, hydrates your body, which will help you in this problem. Third thing is I would tell you to use a lip balm with an SPF. So this will take care of your lip dryness and chapping. Vitamin C is an excellent source of anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, anti-prevention. So vitamin C consumption, also in COVID, it has been said that vitamin C is a very good immunity booster. So vitamin C can definitely be used. And a very something which is I would like to tell you is downloading an app like Flux. If you're aware, this blue light can be converted to a yellow light with the app called as Flux. Even in some some mobile applications, they have something called as eye care, which is a yellow conversions from your blue light to yellow light, and yellow light is not that bad. So downloading that app called Flux will also be of useful. So next problem which you are facing is deficiencies of vitamin D, because we are homebound, we are not getting enough exposure to D. Our diet is going haywire. So this is all leading to vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D is required for your immunity. Second thing which is required is for your general overall health of the body. Vitamin deficiency has been linked to a dry, itchy skin, and even vitamin D is given in chronic skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema. What can we do to improve our vitamin D levels? So first thing is diet. We can include something like eggs, mushrooms, cow milk, soya milk. These are great sources of vitamin D. Again, get up early in the morning, go in your balcony or a veranda in the early morning and get that sunlight for around 20-30 minutes. That will take care of your vitamin D levels. Exercise has been a routine part of many people's healthy lifestyle. So exercise, what does it do? It basically increases the blood supply and the nutrients to your cells. Exercise is also important because it is a natural reduction of stress hormones. So what does exercise do? It reduces your stress hormones, and it leads to a better and a youthful you. So how do you fix this lack of exercise? So what do I tell my patients also is, like, if you have long working hours where you're working from home on front of the laptop, just do my stretching exercises on and off. In between, just remember to stretch your legs, stretch your arms, stretch your body. This will give a little bit of increased oxygenation to your cells because of that. Also, what is happening is, like, we are saving a lot of our time from work, travel time, because generally in Mumbai city where we travel a lot, it takes a lot of time traveling. So you're having that extra time with you where you're saving on traveling. So try and inculcate that converting that into exercise routine. The fourth problem which everyone is facing, or maybe you can say they are not able to do, is something called as dehydration. So what is happening, because we are working so much, that means we are doing our household chores, we are cleaning vessels, we are washing utensils. So with your work and everything, so people are becoming more busier and they are not able to give time to drinking water. So this also has their hazards. Like you see that there's dullness on your face, the glow which you had is going away. Something which people also face is called as something face dandruff. I know it might be something like a new term for you. Like, we know that dandruff happens on the scalp. Similarly, what will happen because of dehydration is you start seeing flakiness or dryness on your face. So most common areas is around your eyebrows, around your nose. You will face like tiny exfoliation of skin which is happening. So this is called as face dandruff. The dull look which also happens. So these are the problems which you will face because of dehydration. So how do we fix that? So what should we do is, what I also do personally is set an alarm. So generally I keep 4 to 5 alarms in a day where I remind myself that I have to drink water. So you can do the same. Also, what you can start is start your day with a bottle of water. That means around 500 to 1 liter, 500 ml to 1 liter, because that will improve your immediate hunger, which when you get up you feel. Third thing is having the right kind of health juices or fruit juices. But what you can do, replace that with something like apple cider vinegar with water. Have a lot of coconut water. Dahi is a great source. Black coffee, the vegetable broths, they are also water-based nourishment sources. Also, an important concept is eat your waters. That means the fruits like watermelon, cucumber, they are great sources of water. So you can have this, which will also improve the water content of your body. So these are the points where how you can fix the dehydration problem. Now the fifth problem which everyone is having is what I think I'm also suffering from, is called as binge eating. So what is happening? We're watching a lot of Netflix, Amazon Prime, and we are keeping on having a lot of processed food, more sugary food, packed carbohydrate food. So these are not good for your skin, as you all know about it. So what happens is you're making your skin more prone to acne eruptions. The processed sugar, which happens is it reacts with your skin, and a process of glycation happens which leads to increase in wrinkle formations on your face. So this is a concept which you need to understand. In generally, you're also putting up more of visceral fat on your body by having these processed food. So what should you do to fix this binge eating problem? So what would I suggest you is start having healthier diets. So how do you shift to a healthier diet? Like whenever you are having that binge eating thing, have something like green tea, have macanas, include in your diet a lot of antioxidant supplements like something which contains carmosin, coenzyme Q10. These will fight against these oxidative process which are generated in the body. And also, like whenever you feel thirsty, you can go for these apple cider vinegar drinks which are there, coffee broth, vegetable broth. They will also quench your hunger which is happening with your body. Now the other part is how can we get back the skin which has gone haywire in our day-to-day activities. So we can include a regimen in your skin. So what is a regimen? Is like when you get up in the morning, wash your face, hydrate your face, and protect your face. So washing is with a face wash, hydrating with a moisturizer, and protecting with a sunscreen. This is a skin regimen you can follow in the morning, and in the night also there's a regimen which includes washing your face, hydrating your face, and treating your face. So treating is if you have any acne eruptions, if you have any pigmentation, if you have any scarring, if you have an anti-aging process. So these will be a regimen which you can follow in the night. Along with that, also follow a regimen like exfoliation once or twice a week. You can also use some homemade DIY packs which are there and use it once in a week. They will exfoliate your skin, remove all the dead skin which are there on your face. This will be your home care regimen which you can follow from home. Now let us summarize what we have discussed in this big video. So first thing what we'll do is drink plenty of water, cut down on processed food, use regular sunscreen, avoid binge eating, regular workouts, in between workouts, set alarms on your phone to drink plenty of water, eat your waters, including that means drink a lot of watermelon, cucumbers. In between your work time, try and stretch your skin, remove 10-15 minutes of exercising. So this will help you in a fitter you, a youthful you. The new normal, which is work from home, is going to continue. So all these problems will be solved if you do these things. If you have liked our video, you can also share this on the YouTube channel, and we will be coming up with such amazing contents. So do sure to subscribe. Thank you for your time. I'm Dr. Deepan Shah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Man Matters to get expert advice on your health and wellness.